Hello, welcome back to our channel. It's me Anu. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the square of a 2-digit or 3-digit number in seconds. Okay. So it's a very interesting topic and it definitely helps you. Okay. So before starting our video, if you're watching this channel first time, please subscribe our channel. So I'll show you how to find the square of a 2-digit number using this method. So here our example is 53 square, okay? And by using this method, there should be 3 parts, okay? And I will show you how to write this 3 part. So this is the first part and second part and third part, right? Okay, so the first part from the right side will be the square of the rightmost digit in your number. That is very easy, just 3 squares. So 3 is the rightmost digit, right? And the last part will be the square of the remaining digit of your question. That is 5. It is 2 digit. It contains only 2 digit, right? 2-digit number, that means it contains only 2 digits. So the first part will be the square of the rightmost digit of the given number, that is 3, and the last part will be the square of the last digit of the number or the remaining digit. So here it is 2-digit number, so it's not confusing, just the last part will be 3 square and the first part will be the 5 square. Okay, and the middle part you just multiply all these numbers, this 2 and 5 and 3. 2 into 5 into 3. Okay, so what is the answer? 5 square, we know that 25. We can write it from the multiplication table of 5, right? Next, 2 into 5 into 3. What is 2 into 5 into 3? Very easy. 2 into 5 is 10. 10 into 3 is 30, right? So 30. And 3 square, we can say it from the multiplication table. It is 9, right? So next I will tell you how to write the answer. So this 9 will be the last digit of your answer, and here it is 30, right? In the middle term you can see 30. So just take that 0 of the middle term 30. Okay, you just take that 0 and write here, and remaining 3. 3 is remaining there, right? Just add with the last part. So 25 plus 3. That is 28, right? So just write that 28. So this is your answer. Okay. So very interesting, right? So, but you should practice it and you should do at least 10 questions by using these techniques. Then it is very easy. You can solve it in seconds. Okay. So before that you should practice. Okay. So let's solve one more. For example, 46 square. So there will be 3 part and the last part will be 6 square. 6 square means the last digit of our question, that is 6 square, and the first part will be the square of the remaining digit, that is a 4. It's 2-digit number, so not confusing, right? 4 square, and the middle part will be 2 into 4 into 6. So 4 square, we know that 16 because we know the multiplication table, right? Then it is 2 into 4, 8. 8 into 6, 48, right? And 6 6 are 36, right? So this is the 3 parts, right? So the last digit 6 will be the last digit of our answer. Then just add this 3 with this 48. Okay, so 48 plus 3, what is 48 plus 3? 51, right? So 51, so just write that 1 of 51 here, and remaining 5 just add with this number. So 16 plus 5 is 21. So 2116 is the answer. Okay, so just practice this, very easy. Just see this video repeatedly, then you can do it. Okay, then I'll show you how to find square of a 3-digit number using the same technique. Okay, so let's take 121 square. You can try any number. Okay, so there should be 3 parts. The first part from the right side will be the square of the last digit, that is 1. So 1 square, and the first part, okay, that will be the square of the remaining digits. So here it is 3-digit number, so the remaining digits means that is 12, right? So it is 12 square. And the middle term is very easy. Just multiply 2 into this 12. Okay. Because we took the square of this 12, right? So just take that 12 and 1 and multiply it. Okay. 2 into 12 into 1. Hope you understood. Okay. Then next, you should find the square of 12. Okay, so if you don't know the square of the 12, you can use the same method. So let's try the same method. 12 square, there will be 3 parts. So the last part will be 2 square because that is the last digit and the remaining digit is 1. So the first part is square of the remaining digit, that is 1 square. And the middle term will be 2 into 1 into 2. So that 1 square is 1 and 2 into 1 into 2 is 4 and 2 into 2 is 4, right? So these are the 3 parts. Here these 3 parts are 1 digit, right? So this is the answer. 144. So let's write 144 here and 2 into 12 into 1, that is 24, right? So, and 1 square is 1. Okay, so these are the 3 parts. Okay, so I will show you how to write the answer. So just the last part contains only 1 digit, right? So the last digit of our answer is 1 and then it is 24. So just take that 4 and write here. This will be the second digit of our answer. And this remaining 2 is just add with this 144, the last part. 144 plus 2 is 146, right? Yeah. So this is the answer. Okay. So please practice more questions and just use this same technique and practice more questions. It definitely helps you, and for the competitive exams and all, it definitely helps you. Okay, so practice more questions, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me. And thank you so much for your all support, and please keep supporting me. Okay, then see you in next video. Bye bye.